Who is ready for our Monday Grow Party? Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it's the first time seeing, do subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. It's Monday again, where we come to encourage each other and also tell each other that we can still do it, no matter the obstacles, no matter the ups and downs, no matter what we are going through, no matter how YouTube is treating you, no matter how you feel discouraged, no matter how you feel like not uploading video again. But this is me coming here this morning to tell you that it's Monday. You need to stand up, you need to wake up so that you can start creating content. I was just looking at my analytics on how much I was able to earn yesterday, and I was like, faithful God, you are too faithful to fail. You understand? One of the things I always tell people is try your possible best, even if it's just 1 cent you are getting every single day. It is something you should never take for granted. YouTube is for everybody. No matter how you think your journey is slow, YouTube is definitely for everybody. So how to get 1,000 subscribers in 3 days, how to get 1,000 subscribers in 2 days, how to get 1,000 subscribers in less than a minute. In today's video, you know how we are going to do it already, but you have to listen to instruction. And one of the instruction we always put out here if you want to get subscribers is check the comment section. People are going to be dropping comments. So as they are dropping comments, you ensure that you connect with people that are dropping comments. Now, this is what will actually help you on your channel. Please do not go to people's channel and start commenting, oh, vie for vie, subscribe for subscribe. It's not done like that. You watch their videos as well, engage in their video before you subscribe to the channel. You understand? And then another way that you can actually get these subscribers, I'll always keep saying it here, is by uploading shorts. So if you are looking for 1,000 subscribers, try your possible best to put out more shorts. One thing a lot of people don't know, or especially new YouTubers don't know, is shorts has the tendency to travel far. Like, what am I trying to say? It simply means shorts meet more audience faster than your long form content as a new creator. Now, YouTube brought out this short end so that you can be able to use that opportunity to at least meet other wider audience, and people are mostly falling in love with short content. So if you're looking for 1,000 subscribers, try to put out more shorts and create less of long form content. You understand? And then live stream. Now, once you get your 1,000 subscribers, you can now limit the way you're uploading shorts and now create more of long form content and then focus more on your live stream. These are just simple ways for you to be able to generate subscribers. Now, another thing you can do if you actually want to get subscribers, right, is for you to make sure that any long form content you bring, at least still try and make that long form content to shorts. You understand? Now, when you upload it as shorts, try your possible best and copy the link of the long form content and put it in the description of your video. Now, another way you can actually help yourself in doing this is what? Once people come and watch your short form content, it will give them that mindset to go to your description to check. And once they see the link to the full video, they are going to click to watch. Now, one of the reasons why a lot of people don't get people watching from short end as quick and as possible as it is because you do not put that interesting part of your short out there. Maybe you just clip from the first end of a video. No, if you want people to engage from your short end, you're going to put the most interesting part of that video that you know that video is actually going to be captivating. And once they see it there, they are going to go to the description because they want to know the full content of this particular video. And they will come and watch a long form content and also do it to subscribe. Now, if you're looking for subscription, don't only limit yourself to, oh, the comment section, oh, uploading shorts. No, you have to also make sure that your consistency is top notch. You understand? The more videos you are bringing on YouTube, the more subscribers you are going to be getting. That's just the honest truth. Like, there is no two ways about it. The more videos you are bringing on YouTube, the more subscribers you are going to be getting. There is no video I bring on YouTube that YouTube do not push or I don't get subscribers from there. So the same thing with you. Don't think that, oh, you're uploading content and YouTube is not recommending that content. No, don't think that way. Just know that any video you're bringing here, YouTube is trying their possible best to help you recommend and also promote that particular content. So right now, let's keep the comment section activated and let's do what we are supposed to do. Please, when you visit anyone, ensure you watch their video from beginning to the end, or at least 5 minutes, so that the engagement will be strong. And it is not going to be fair that others are doing it for you the right way and you're not doing it for them the right way. Now, I've received so many comments. People saying, oh, this person subscribe and this person unsubscribe. Please, if you're fond of subscribing and then you go back to unsubscribe, please stop doing that. Like, why do you even unsubscribe? Because it doesn't add, it doesn't minus to you. So once you subscribe, you just allow the person to just go with his or her wahala. And then we are good to go. So let's activate the comment section, activate your short end. Let's get this started. And trust me, you're definitely not going to regret it. Anyway, if you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And with no further ado, I'm going to be Simba and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.